Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today we're going to have the review of the Xiaomi Yi action camera after 5 years. Let's go! So guys, the Action Yi camera was released in 2015. So this year, it's already 5 years. And this is really ideal for people who are tight on budget and also just wants to take picture and also the wide angle camera with it without having to spend lots of bucks. And for this video, so we are going to talk about the camera, the battery, and the quality and build, and also with the price. Alright, so let's start first with the camera. So the camera after 5 years, it is still superb. So when I try to go swimming and whenever I try to capture landscape shots, it is still very good, guys. I know that you guys really wants to have the GoPro, but this one with the price, I can say that the Xiaomi Yi is still doing what it's supposed to do. And let's talk about the build here and also the quality. So after 5 years, this Xiaomi Yi action camera, it still looks decent, guys. So as you can see here, you cannot see any dents here, and but in front, I actually have a little problem here, which was maybe I think I dropped it, and it has this small crack in here. But other than that, the performance is still great. And also with the price, guys, so I think at this time Xiaomi discontinued producing this product, but if you really want, you can buy the second one, I think for just around $30, I guess. And also if you want to really upgrade to a more updated gadget of the Xiaomi, you can also have the Xiaomi Yi 4K, and I think that costs around 100 bucks. Guys, if you really want to ask me if this action camera is worth it in 2020, then I can say that this one is still really good, guys. I know some of you might have lots of questions about the Xiaomi action camera, but until now I'm still really amazed with how it performs, and also with considering the price that it's only around 50 bucks with the original price 5 years ago. I think that's all, guys, for the Xiaomi Yi action camera, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, just click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be updated about the latest gadgets and also with the different reviews. Okay guys, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.